In this video, we are going to start to explore rationalizing. You may have to pause to write down all the steps if I talk through them a little too quickly. The goal when rationalizing is to get the radical out of the denominator. First thing you're going to want to do is simplify or break down the denominator if possible. In this first example we're going to do, that's something we don't need to do because 3 is already as simple as it can get. Our second step is to multiply the numerator and denominator by something that completes the group. So in this case, we're working with a square root. We need a group of 2. So I'm going to actually rewrite the problem down here. We have a square root of 3. In order to get a group of 2, I could multiply by another square root of 3. I wrote a cube root instead of a square root, sorry. That way I now on the bottom will have a group of 2 things. I'm going to hit undo so you don't see the circle anymore. I'm going to write 6 square root 3 over, now I'm going to write this out. What you're going to notice every time is that this number, if I get the correct group, is always going to come out of the radical. So we'll get 6 square root 3 over 3. And then our last step is to simplify the outside fraction if possible. And by outside fraction here, we're talking about the 6 over 3. So since 6 over 3 simplifies into 2, your final answer is going to be 2 root 3. Notice I did not touch the inside radical, I just simplified those outside numbers.